Yeah.
Both of them are on.
We call this the double up. With flop. Oh my God, what a day. Alright, I'm going to focus on netting yours because yours is in. You want to come fight this for a little? Leave this here. Come over here, fight this. But you got to try to keep her on real tight.
If you've been avoiding it out of fear, you're waiting on the and ramps up the stress. The truth is, the IRS does taxpayers every day through legitimate programs, and many qualify to reduce what they owe. In some cases, way up to 99%. That's why thousands turn to helpwithirsdebt.com. They've guided over 120,000 Americans.
That's a nice fish.
$2.3 billion in taxes. In fact, every case with a unemployment resolution guarantee. If there's no real power,
Got him?
you could afford
Come up here with it.
They even randomly select one qualifying client each year and pay off their entire IRS balance. Terms apply. Don't let another day pass. Go to helpwithirsdebt.com right now. It's fast, easy, and confidential. Find out what's possible today. Helpwithirsdebt.com.
Can you take a step down? If not, you're fine there.
That's helpwithirsdebt.com.
That's another good round to get along.
Have we got a surprise for you? Your new Burlington is now open on South 24th Street off 76.
Let me know if you need a hand, Joey.
Even more surprised by the latest styles, newest trends.
There's going to be movement here, Lever. You got to stay strong.
Make Burlington your guilty pleasure as you fill your cart with big brands at little prices. Don't believe us? Then come see for yourself at the now open store on South 24th Street in South Philadelphia. Burlington. Deals, brands.
Get all the net.
Hey, good morning. You're heading to the airport, right?
Yeah, thanks for checking. I like the car. How long have you been a rideshare
Okay,
driver?
let's keep fighting.
3 years now. I really enjoy it.
Isn't it hard to make money these days with the price of gas being
No,
so high?
nice one
Not for
too.
me. I use
definitely
Upside,
nice.
the free
Definitely
app
a
that
nice
gives you cash back for every gallon of gas you buy.
Wait a minute. Are you saying you actually get real money back when you get gas with the Upside app?
Yep, I get real cash back every time I get gas.
Does that actually add up to anything?
It's around $200 to $300.
That's not as big as the other one.
Yeah, but this will be a great double up next.
Download the free Upside app now to earn real cash back every time you buy gas. Use promo code RAIN to get up to a $5 per gallon bonus on your first tank. You can cash out anytime, right to your bank account, PayPal, or a gift card for Amazon and other brands. Just download the free Upside app and use promo code RAIN to get up to a $5 per gallon bonus on your first tank. That's code RAIN. Do you owe back taxes to the IRS? Whether it's due to job loss, a divorce, a new business venture, or you just didn't file your taxes, don't lose hope. Powerful relief programs are now available that can help you and may reduce or even eliminate what you owe the IRS. With the cost of living affecting millions across the country, Tax Relief Advocates is urgently notifying you or even $500,000 taxes to the IRS. To call to get relief options. With over 1,000 households.
Back out.
We lost him. Hold on, don't let him live.
TRA is America's trusted choice for real tax relief. Relief options are now available that can give you
Got
a
him?
fresh start
Yeah, now I got
and
him.
peace of mind. End your tax nightmare today by calling our tax relief.
That's a lot of crack.
800-390-8698.
That's a lot of crack.
800-390-8698.
I'm sorry. We could edit that maybe.
800-390-8698.
No one's got the camera.
Oh my God, that's a hog. That's another hog. Camera's going right there.
Just listening?
No, the one over the radio.
Oh, shit.
But we're good. Stop it.